just got my Vistaprint order with some new cards and some new calendars in it. 2025 calendars are here, so let's see what we got. Been waiting all day to open this up. All right. Extra bits. And let's see what we got here. These will be my business cards. I got these also to function as tags for the show I have coming up. So that's the front. Ooh. And then the usual back. So, great. Okay, let me see. I think I ordered, did I order the same or did I order a different design? I can't remember. I know I was playing with a couple of designs. Let's see. No, same design. Yeah, so these are also the same. That looks great though. Happy with that. Vistaprint is great for this stuff. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. These would be my calendars. Oh, they're very nicely packed. Let's get rid of this box. And let's see here. All right, 2025 calendars. Ooh, looking good. That looks great. Yeah. Ooh. I love the colors in this one. Wonderful. So I got 10 of them. So they'll be listed up on my site for sale very soon.